And Richard, thanks for joining me.
So happy to be here today, Jeremy. Thank you so much for having me as a guest on the podcast.
I'm excited because there's so much stuff. We're going to talk about gamification of culture, expat moving there, some of the challenges of call centers, training, soft skills. But I wanted to start off with people have misconceptions of call centers, right? They picture it's just like a churn and burn calling people. What are some of the misconceptions that you come across in the call center space?
Well, the first thing is, my friend, they say that I call them during dinner, and we don't have any campaigns that do that. But it's pretty much what you've seen in Hollywood, from Glengarry Glen Ross, Boiler Room, and of course, The Wolf of Wall Street. You see these environments where it's fast-paced, aggression, and they're selling stock. Well, not every single environment has those sort of verticals. In fact, at my call center, most of our campaigns revolve around inbound support, outbound lead generation, and appointment setting. So there's a certain level of assertiveness, not aggressiveness, in regards to the campaigns that we accept and work with at the center.